In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Ajazz keyboard software. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to ajazzstore.com. Now, once we're inside of their website, we want to hover our mouse over download and click onto software. Now, basically, under software, we can go ahead and search for your software, drivers, etc. So go ahead and put in your keyboard model name, depending what it is, or we can scroll down and find it manually. So say, for example, you've got this one here, Ajazz AKA20 driver. We can go ahead and click onto that. Then from here, we've got the option to download the software version. Now, this is for Windows, so I'm going to click on that, and then that should start downloading. Here we go here, so it's about 40 megabytes in size. Now to install it, it's very straightforward. So we just want to go ahead and open up. So I'm going to double click onto it, or you can just go to your downloads. So here it is here. So I'm going to double click onto it again. Here's the application. So I want to go ahead and run the application. So once you've opened it up, it's going to say here, choose your installation language. So select the installation language from the following options: English, Chinese, so English, and then go ahead and click on next. Choose where you like to install it, and then you can also open immediately after installation. Just click next. We can also do a quick run as well.